today it is the turn of membership myth number 6, which is I'm going to just have to end up creating loads of content all the time. Now, it's understandable that when you think about creating and running a membership site, that you automatically think that you are going to end up becoming a content creation machine. I mean, how else are you going to keep people engaged and wanting to pay you every month? Well, don't tell anyone. But when your potential members are already overwhelmed by the vast amount of content that's floating about on the internet, it's unlikely that they're actually going to be looking for you to drown them in more. What they're looking for you is clarity, direction, progress, and solutions. They want community, inspiration, motivation, connection, and probably convenience. So however you deliver that is up to you. You see, the truth about running a successful membership is that less is more. You need to think about quality over quantity, and how you make sure that they get what it is that they're looking for is up to you. It's a perfect opportunity for you to get creative and indulge in how you love to work.